Why does your scanner show the P2197 engine code? What does it mean? P2197 is a diagnostic trouble code for oxygen sensor signal, biased or stuck lean, bank 2 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the oxygen sensor in bank 2, sensor 1, is reporting a lean air-fuel mixture, meaning there's too much oxygen in the exhaust. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Vacuum leaks. Faulty oxygen sensor. Fuel delivery problems. Oxygen sensor wiring or connector issues. Exhaust leaks. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This is commonly associated with Ford vehicles, particularly the Ford Edge. Other car brands like Toyota and BMW also experience this code. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.